Hello YouTube, Big Joe here. I decided to share this with you. I've been trying to get a new calendar. It's February now. And haven't been able to find one. I usually get a car calendar. And my mother gave this to me. And I thought it was pretty neat. And I just wanted to share with y'all the tractors in it. This is an Alice Chamber. Probably should do it on a better surface here, but this is an Alice Chamber 1954. That would be for December. Of course, we're in February now, and when this video goes out, it's probably going to be in March. But here's January, a 1948 John Deere. Looks really nice. February is a 1941 Massey Harris. Looks really nice. This one's pretty cool. 1936 Farmall F2, or excuse me, F12. (1952) Oliver Row Crop 88. A 1949 Minneapolis. Now, I really like this one, and it's in June. It's where my birthday is, so I finally get an awesome picture for my birthday month. A 1913 K-Steam. This one is, let's see, CO-OPE-13. I can't read for nothing. But it's a 1950. Never even heard of that tractor. Here's a 59 John Deere. Looks fairly nice. This one's pretty awesome too. It's a 1923 Avery model, 45-65. Imagining getting stuck with those wheels, you know. Here's the 1948 Case High Crop. Here's a nice one. A 1952 Farmall M. And this last one is really cool. A 1929 Mccormick-Deering 15-30. So that's my calendar. Oh, looks like it's upside down here. So that's my calendar. So I just wanted to share it with y'all guys. I mean, legendary tractors. Since my channel does involve tractors and lawn mowers and stuff. So, thanks for watching, YouTube. Bye.